Hello, dear students. The continuation of the phylum Arthropoda related to the specimens under practical classes. In the last video, I was discussed two specimens, Penaeus and Pelaman. Now I will going to discuss two more specimens. The first one is the Pelineurus, Pelinurus, Pelineurus. It is the scientific name, and commonly it is called as spiny or rock lobster, ROCK, rock lobster. Consider the classification. It belongs to phylum Arthropoda, class Crustacea, and order Decapoda. Okay, and consider the points. Pelineurus is edible by man. It is carnivorous, that means only flesh eating animal, and it is a marine form found in deep sea beds. Edible, carnivorous, marine, deep sea beds. Body is divided into anterior cephalothorax and posterior abdomen. And cephalothorax, as usual, it is formed by the fusion of the head and the thorax, but head and thorax are demarcated by external cervical groove. Head and thorax demarcated by external small groove, that is we called it as the cervical groove. There is one groove appear here. And carapace covers both the dorsal and lateral surfaces of the cephalothorax, and it bears the spines. Carapace covers the dorsal and lateral surfaces and also bears the spines. Lateral side alli chikka chikka mulgul ತರ ಇರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಚರ್ಸ್ ನ ನೀವು ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ. Rostrum is hard and it is bifid. Bifid ಅಂದರೆ ಸೀಳು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay. Where it is in the head region only. And here the head, that is cephalon, bears a pair of stalked compound eyes, short biramous antennules and long spiny antennae, and 5 pairs of walking legs. Okay, here the head bears or the cephalon bears a pair of stalked compound eyes, short biramous antennules and long spiny antennae, and 5 pairs of walking legs. These are the appendages. Come to the abdomen. Abdomen consists of 6 segments with a terminal. Last one we call it as the telson. First segment is devoid of appendages. No segments, no appendage, and that means no appendages in the first segment, while other segments bears leaf-like appendages. Other segments bears leaf-like appendages. The appendages are absent in first segment. And last pair of appendages is very large and fan-like. We call it as the uropods, and here the sexes are separate. So these are the comments or the external characters you can see in Pelineurus, commonly called as spiny or rocky lobster. Come to the another specimen, we called it as the Astacus, 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 commonly called as crayfish. And this crayfish, if you consider the classification, phylum Arthropoda, class Crustacea, and order Decapoda, it is edible, it is omnivorous, okay, it is freshwater crustacean, it's a freshwater crustacean. Whereas Pelineurus is marine water and Astacus is fresh water. It is found in freshwater bodies like swamps, rivers, so on and so on. And here it is bilaterally symmetrical body. It shows the bilateral symmetry, and body is subcylindrical. Not exactly cylindrical, it is a subcylindrical body. Here the body is again differentiated into or divided into anterior cephalothorax and the posterior abdomen, and there are 19 pairs of appendages, namely 5 cephalic, 8 thoracic and 6 abdominal. Since from the beginning we are seeing the same thing, right? In the rest of the even Pinais, Pelaman and all, we can see the same thing. And here the head and the thorax differentiated by external groove, we called it as the cervical groove, that you can see in Pelinuris also and Astracus also. And carapace covers the dorsal and lateral surfaces of the body. In the head region, rostrum is short and without non-serrated margin. Rostrum is short but without non-serrated margin. Serrations are not seen in the rostrum, in the margin of the rostrum. And head bears a pair of stalked compound eyes, short antennules and long antennae. Short antennules and long antennae. Come to the abdominal part. Abdomen consists of 6 segments with a terminal telson. Okay, terminal one we called it, last segment we called it as the telson. And last abdominal appendages are very large. Last abdominal appendages are very large. They are fan like and we called it as the uropods. Uropods. And here the sexes are separate. Even in Pelaman and also in Pinais, you can see 19 pairs of appendages. In Astracus also you can see the 19 pairs of appendages. So here the presence of jointed appendages is a very important characteristic features you can see in the specimens of phylum Arthropoda. Okay, so still now we discussed about the 4 specimen: Pinais, marine prawn; Pelaman, freshwater form; Pelinuris, marine form; Astracus, freshwater form. And Pelinuris also edible and Astracus also edible. In all the 4 specimens, the body is divided into anterior cephalothorax and the posterior abdomen, and you can see the jointed appendages, number of jointed appendages. And in all the 4 specimens, the body covered by the external skeleton, we called it as the carapace. Okay girls, please refer the diagrams first and listen my video along with the diagrams, then you start writing your record.